Dear law student, the other students in your class with you in law school are your colleagues, and you should treat them like colleagues. You should not treat them like competition. My name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City. And there's a tendency among students in law school to get really cliquish and to kind of go back to high school and fight with each other in the sense that, you know, you're competing and you're trying to get the best grades and so on and so forth. And sometimes you just don't treat each other well. You treat each other like you're the enemy, essentially. Absolutely the wrong way to go about law school. You have to figure that 100 people, 150 people, however big your law school class is, those people you're going through that experience with are going to be with you. They are going to represent the nucleus of your network for your entire legal career. You just have to assume that because it just happens that way, okay? You go through this really kind of transformative process with each other in law school, and you become friends or acquaintances, and then you end up giving referrals back and forth and trading those referrals. Except if you're the jerk who treated everybody else like trash in law school, treated them like competition, didn't help them with studying and with homework. If you treat them poorly, they're not going to refer to you, okay? So you need to understand that this is going to be the core of your network for the next probably 20, 30, 40 years. And you need to treat those people as if they're your colleagues, okay? They're not competition. It's okay. Like if everybody gets good grades in law school, everybody gets a job. You're not going to get a job because you have better grades than, you know, the other guy because, you know, you didn't help him or her study for a test, right? That's just not how the real world is going to work. So don't treat it like that. Treat them well. Ask yourself, how can I make my fellow students' life a little bit better today, okay? That's the essence of being a good colleague. That's the essence of being a good lawyer and a good friend to other lawyers. So ask yourself that question and then start doing those things for the law students that are right next to you, okay? Because how you do anything is how you do everything. So how you treat the law students around you right now is going to be how you treat lawyers who are your colleagues when you get out and you start practicing law. And believe me, if you want to have a good referral base, if you want to have a good career as a lawyer, it really, really pays to invest in treating your colleagues extraordinarily well and trying to see how you can make their life a little bit better. Because if you're that bucket dipper, as my son would say, if you're taking from the bucket and making everybody's life a little bit worse, you're gonna have a real rough time as an attorney, okay? I mean, you'll still be able to make some money, but everybody's gonna hate you, and you're not gonna make nearly as much money as you think you should, and you're not gonna get great clients because you're not gonna get really good referrals from your colleagues. So don't do that. Treat everybody really well as an attorney, and it starts right now in law school. Figure out how you can make everybody's day just a little bit better. Okay, thank you very much, and until next time.